Right back up. Nice tall wet grass. Yeah. I'm probably going to be talking less that we're hoofing it uphill now. You guys make it out? Good. Rocks, be careful. Go slow. Sure-footedness. Oh, no problem. No. So, good $30 investments in these 3 ponchos. We're wearing the Frog Togs ponchos, and they're really, really light, and they're not plastic, at least on the inside. So they breathe real nice, so you don't feel like a massive sweat box inside them. More rocks, be careful coming through. Slow down. No injuries.
What?
I said slow down, no injuries. Okay. All right. Looks like we're almost to the top. Yeah. Okay, so it's starting to get warm under the poncho. I think it might be my radiator heating it up though. Yes, I can even sweat up here when it's 62 degrees. Huh? Yeah. Well, we'll just call it rain. Yeah, I just got rain on my face. That's all. Is this that? No, this isn't the big rock yet. But we're getting close, I can tell. We got our big bend coming up here. What, hon? Yeah, that's right. Oh, and I told, and we were 7. He was yep, this is it. So we're 7 minutes from. Is it right about here or on?
Just right here.
Just up there. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, exactly right there where you are. Yep. Yesterday we thought we saw a coyote and a dog that was up here. Didn't have a leash on or a collar even. And let's walk the high road here. Let's go slow on these rocks, guys. I don't see any algae, but still. Well, algae would be really slippery on wet rocks. So anyhow, that dog looked just like a coyote. The markings, everything, no collar, leash. I didn't see any human, and it kind of run off into the woods. Then all of a sudden, yeah, saw the owner. I think he was back behind a bush taking a pee or something. But it looked just like the ones we saw up there in the museum. All right, a little water in the middle there. Ah, there's the big rock, yep. Let's see if it's in the picture frame. Yep. Yes, been recording the whole time. Oh, time for me to put my hood back on. I don't have any windshield wipers for my eyeballs. Well, I guess the eyelids would work, but all of our, look, these are all your blackberries. All this in here. And there's some nice ripe ones. We try to find the big black shiny ones. All this. That's why they say there's less bear activity this year because the blackberries are plentiful. So, I gotta get my hood down. There we go. Which is good. We haven't seen any bears so far, which doesn't hurt any of our feelings, except for maybe Drew. He really wants to see one. I said you wanted to see a black bear. Yeah. Cameron and I are like, no way, man. No way. How come? I don't know. Well, you guys might just be a snack for one. How's that go? How's that hit you?
Look, I actually want to see a bear rather than the cub.
Rather than the cub? Yes.
And the cubs are fine, but the mama bear.
Mama bear, you're right. Mama bear is very protective. All right, split wide step here. Then go to right here. All right. Whew. Passing our big rock.
Yep, that's
wow.
big rock.
Oh, yep, yeah. So we're real close. We're taking our time here. It's probably going to be 8-9 minutes because we're going a bit slower. From where I said it would, where we saw that man with the dog yesterday, walking his dog. Wow. Everybody making out? What? Making out okay? Pretty much? Alright, we're pretty much almost there, Cam. Yay. Stay in the middle. There's that skunk smell again. Maybe we get lucky and spook another turkey, Cam, and get it on video. Maybe we get lucky and spook another turkey.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like literally right up here. I can see the tree.
Yeah.
Here's some of the. Here's where we get some of our wood from, up there. The sky's clearing up a little, up ahead. Oh, the turkey! Turkey, got turkey!
What?
Turkey. There's a turkey ahead. There he goes. He flew off that ridge again. Ha, hey. Well, we'll see how that comes up in video, Cam. We got him. I think that's the same spot too. Same spot he jumped off the cliff yesterday. Or the edge. All right. Yeah, cloud coming through camp too. Wow. Yep, this is where the turkey just took off from, right here. And flew out over or into the clouds. So he's probably roosted up inside that downed tree. There's probably a roost up there.
Yeah.
Using those branches. Stay in center. And we're almost there. Top of this hill again. Wow, think about those 9 hikers from that college. There's 9 of them trying to stay dry. They'll have their work cut out for them tonight. Reacting to all the wet clothes and stuff. Alright, tent's still there. Tarp's still there, hanging in. You can see it back there. Almost there, guys. Now, hopefully, this Coleman tent fared well. I'm gonna skip this little trail here because it's real thick grass. I don't think we've had enough water. This is the first and largest part of Commissary Ridge. our little trail. We got some dry areas around the fire, but yeah, hey, good enough. It'll work. Okay, and we got places to hang our packs. I can get some cord out to, now that's all water over there. So go ahead and head on in. Get over there by those rocks, Cameron. Drew, you too. Drew, help Cameron get his poncho off first. I'm gonna keep filming.
Okay.
All right.
I need
Cameron, you can set those. There you go.
just...
If you can take yours off, go ahead.
Okay.
Hold on, your drink. All right, go ahead. Your drink's caught. Hold on, let me help you out here, buddy.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna unbutton one of you. Okay, you good. Oh, Cameron got his off too.
Oh, really?
Okay.
I'm actually pretty dry.
All right, Cameron, be careful with your. Pick your pack up, babe. He's all right on the ground. We want to keep this stuff dry.
Yeah.
Here you go. Hey, come here. Hook it on this. Help pick up, pack up. There you go. All right.
I'm not gonna put mine.
I can put yours on the same. All right, I'm gonna stop recording, and we're gonna hang stuff up from this ridge.
We made it.
Get dry. We made it.
Yeah.
We're soaked,
But we made it.
but we made it.
I'm actually not that scared.
Welcome to camp.